Hello traders, welcome back. So let's begin today's gold analysis, and the analysis that we'll do today, it will be for today and tomorrow. I can say the whole week, because there are major news coming today and Friday. So without wasting time, let's begin. Before that, I'd like to say, if you like this channel, if you like the analysis, do like the videos, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all the analysis when the videos are uploaded. Okay, let's begin today's analysis without wasting the time. And as you guys are seeing, this is a daily time frame chart, and previous analysis we have seen the monthly and weekly and daily, all the analysis. And as I have mentioned, the channel broke, and then market kind of took some support, something around 1936 to 33 area. If you see, there's a big long wick, so there are still buyers present at this zone. And now market went up, but right now market is facing little resistance. So there's a minor resistance here, because if you see, this is a 20 and 50 EMA, right? So it is taking kind of resistance at the 50 EMA, but there are a couple of more news out this week, so I'm expecting market should go till 1985, and that will be a big resistance, and from there market should fall. But I might be wrong, right? Because nobody can predict the market. Nobody 100% can predict the market, right? So there's a high probability that market might go up and touch this area, which is 1980 to 85 range, and from there we might see a big rejection. And if that rejection happens, because there are more sellers present at this zone, right? So if that happens, then we can see market goes to a new low, which is somewhere around this 1900. And why 1900? Because 1900 is also kind of a psychological level, and it might fall till 1900, and then we can see some retracement from 1900. If it falls below, then we'll see some new lows 1870 and down, right? But I'm expecting it'll go 1900, and then we can see some retracement again before moving downward. So the other scenario, if market sustain above this resistance zone, right, which is 1980 to 1985, if market sustains this zone, there's a possibility market will try to again test this trend line, right? Because previously it formed a channel and break this channel, right? It will again go and check this channel, right? So the levels are like 1991. I'll just note it here so that it will be easy for you guys. So the levels are, if market sustains above 1985, then we can see target as 1991, then followed by 1998, and then we can see 2005. So these are the target if it is sustaining above. If market took some resistance from that area, and it will start falling, so below 1980, we can say TP will be 1970. Then after 1970, we can see again 1964. So those are the areas where the market is sustaining right now. And below 1964, we can see 1952, 52, and then below that we have more downside opportunities. The current level, which is 1933, and below 1900. So these are the levels, right? So note down all the levels, and we'll trade only when the levels come. If So right now, if somebody is taking as a position or maybe a positional trader, I'll suggest wait for the price action, let it go and retest this resistance area and show some rejection, then we can enter and the sell opportunity will be good. If market sustains above this zone, then we can see some more buying opportunity and it might go into this channel again and it will follow the similar pattern, right, which is right now very less because there are historical resistance present at the top, and we have discussed those in our weekly analysis as well. So if you see, there is a very interesting pattern also forming in the daily time frame. One is as I mentioned, this is 20 EMA and 50 EMA, right? So there is a death crossover is going to happen soon. So for that to happen, the market has to go and hit this resistance area, and then from there it should come down, right? Come down below this 50 EMA. So then the death crossover will happen and we'll see more fall, downward fall. Why I'm saying the similar example we'll see if you go a little back, market broke this EMAs from downward to upside, right? And this zone, it created a crossover again that is called a golden crossover, and 20 EMA 50 EMA works really great. So the golden crossover happens, and from there we have seen this is a super big movement, right? From there it almost gave us more than 11%, right? So similarly we can expect something. If there is a death crossover happens, then probably we can see a 1900 levels soon and probably below 1900 maybe. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and we'll see is there any differences as per the analysis or it will be same, right? So intraday traders follow this 1 hour time frame because 1 hour time frame will works best. 15 minutes you can, but if there'll be volatility, then it will be risky with 15 minutes. 1 hour time frame is kind of very good for analysis as an intraday, and maybe you can take positions or use your stop loss in 15-minute time frame. That is up to you, but whichever time frame suits you. So in 1 hour time frame there's a golden crossover in wake, and then 20 EMA support it is taking and moving a trending direction. Higher high is forming. Let's see if it closes above this zone, which is yesterday's high, then probably we can go and hit 1985, and from there we have to see how the market looks like. It will be a rejection or it is sustaining above that level. Based on that we'll trade, and don't forget to see the news as well. During news it will be super volatile because there are a couple more important news is coming this week. One is ADP non-farm employment change and ISM manufacturing PMI. You can see all the economical calendar from this Forex factory. And how, let's say if I'm a beginner and I do not know how this news will impact, right? How do we analyze? So the very simple thing, you go to this website and see the news, and there is a folder icon present here. You have to open the detail and read it, how it measures and what is the usual effect. So it says actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So that means if the forecast value is 173k, if the actual is more than this, then the DXY or the currency will go up, and that will be a problematic situation for the gold. So if DXY is more up, then we can see some downfall from the gold or XAUUSD pair, right? So that way we can analyze. And similarly you can click on this and ISM data, because all are, if there's a positive news, definitely these things will support the currency and it will be a problem for the gold. So that's it for today, and happy trading. Good luck. If you have any questions or anything, do comment and share the videos. Thank you. Bye bye.